Well, now for a warning about a common virus among young children that can be very dangerous for pregnant women. Recently, elementary schools in Texas and Oklahoma sending home warnings about fifth disease spreading. The Now Tampa Bay's Christy Post is here finding it's actually a common thing right here in the Tampa Bay area this time of year.
Yes, well, a friend of mine told me that our two boys got the virus at school, passed it on to her, and now her unborn child may have it. Well, doctors say it's highly contagious, and if you are pregnant, it can be dangerous.
What are some AT words we talked about?
Imagine your child coming home from school looking like this, a red rash with a lacy-like appearance.
It starts with fever, sometimes some achiness.
It's called fifth disease, caused by parvovirus B19, not the same parvo a dog gets.
It will go from child to child. There's a pretty high transmission rate.
Dr. Pat Emanuel studies infectious diseases in children at USF Health and Tampa General Hospital.
You've got this typical slap cheek.
She says once spring has sprung, we see more of the virus. Children under the age of 10 usually getting it. In some cases, Emanuel explains, it can spread to adults.
An adult, we get more arthritis and arthralgias, which is sore joints.
And if someone is pregnant who gets it, the virus can be passed on to her baby.
5 to 10% of the cases it can be fatal if it's not addressed, but it's definitely treatable.
The key is getting to the doctor early because a blood transfusion to the fetus could be necessary. In most cases, though, it's treated just like a cold, a lot of rest, fluids, and it goes away in about a week. With no vaccine for fifth disease, the best prevention is as simple as washing your hands. Well, pregnant women also need to be aware of CMV. It can cause hearing loss in children, and it's caused from toddlers coming home with the virus and then again passing it on to the mom who is pregnant. Also, people need to be aware of toxoplasma, and it can be caught by just being around cats and litter boxes. So 3 viruses definitely important for pregnant women to be aware about and know about.
Important warnings. Thank you, Christy.